use case on how you can use AI to just better your workflow. And so I just created a video and I just want to show you how I use generative AI as a technical person. It's going to look really technical, but you can do it. Just trust me. And so when I export this video, I'm using Adobe Premiere. I export the video and I'm just going to export the audio. And so when I hit export, right, it's going to download and then download it into my local files. And so it's on my computer system. And so this is Cursor. And it looks really technical, but don't be overwhelmed, right? Don't be overwhelmed because now my audio file was saved right here. So this is my audio file and I can play it. All right, so I put together a AI value supply chain ecosystem. That's me talking. And so what I want to do is I want to be able to take that transcript and I want to be able to create all the metadata that exists in this video. And so I created like a really simple, Cursor walked me through this and I created a Python script. And I'm going to show you just what this looks like. And so if I copy my script here and I paste it in here and I do it, it's just an easy script that I wrote. It's saying that it's transcribing that audio for me. I'm using OpenAI's Whisper API that does transcription. You can plug into it. Cursor helped me write the code. And as you can see here, it's saying it's transcribing, successfully produced, right? And so then if I come over here and I look at transcriptions, processed, you'll see the file here, and I'll make this a little bigger for you. Look what it does. It gave me a caption, it gave me an SEO title, it gave me a meta description, it gave me hashtags, the data was transcribed, and then it gave me the full transcript of the video there, and then it put it in sections for me so that I now know at each part and what I'm talking about. And then, this is the data that I use to then build my TikToks. I already have it, I don't have to think about it, it already happens. And so how complex is it to build this? I'm just going to show you, right? I'm going to copy all of the code, all the prompts. This is all my prompts. And so I'll probably speed this video up, but I just want to show you guys. And so I'm going to copy this and then we're going to take this. All right. So this is Google AI Studio. And I love Google AI Studio. I think it's one of the more underrated things. This is Google AI Studio. And I just want to show you, if I copy in this, I'm going to say, can you create a step-by-step guide on how to build this in Python? Can you just show the audience what this looks like step by step and the level of effort for building this kind of automation in Python? And so I'm going to paste this in here, and then we're going to bring up our ChatGPT window. And so I use ChatGPT to transcribe. And so it's just going to transcribe this for us. And then we're going to copy this in here, right? And I'm just going to put this in here, and then we're going to hit run. And so we're going to see what happens. Okay, let's break this down. And so look, it gives me an entire breakdown of what I just did. And so you just got my entire chat history for Python on how to be able to build a transcription service for your videos, right? We use Whisper, we use GPT, we have file handling, some environment management, parallel processing. I have a process indicator, error handling. And so it's only 7 components. And so now here's the basic, right? It's going to walk you through how to open up this entire thing. Here's all the code. Here's the modify audio. Like literally, here's a step-by-step guide on how you can build one. And so I'm probably gonna end up putting this in my newsletter for those who are interested in being able to do this. But I hope this just shows you the power of what this is. And so I didn't write any of this code, but I'm not sending this to production either. I'm literally just going to use this internally. And I may just continue building on it and getting more efficient on it. But here's a great example of how you can use generative AI to do software development. And so let me know what you guys think about that. I know it looks like a lot, right? I know it looks like so much and it's so crazy, but you can do it. You can do it and it's still going. Like this is literally the entire step-by-step process. And so I'll put this in my next newsletter. You guys can also get a prompt library. If you go check that out to practice for prompts, Google AI Studio is underrated. And so check it out, man. What do you guys think about this? I know your head may be spinning, but all right. Peace.